Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special watermelon seed chutney. For this recipe, take 50 grams of watermelon seeds and roast them for 5 minutes on medium flame. Take 200 grams of tomatoes and cut them into small pieces and keep aside. Take 5 to 7 green chillies and cut them into 2 pieces. In another pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 pieces of garlic cloves, little bit of curry leaves. You can skip if you don't find or don't like. 5 cutted green chillies, 200 grams of tomato pieces. You can add canned tomato as well. Half teaspoon of tamarind. You can skip if you don't find. 100 to 150 ml of water. Mix well and add roasted watermelon seeds. Give it a mix. Cover with the lid and cook till tomatoes soften. Mix occasionally to avoid sticking to the bottom. Tomatoes soften. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Switch off the stove and let it cool down. After cools down, transfer into a blender and add salt to taste. Use rock salt if available. Now blend it into paste. After blending, our chutney looks like this. If you want little bit liquid consistency, add boiled water. You can store in a refrigerator for 4 days without adding water. It will taste good. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.